Alright, well, just left the bird show and I volunteered. Yeah! I got to feed a eagle off of a stick, so that's pretty cool. Now I'm in the last leg of the bird park. Looks pretty cool. I have to finish up here. Then there's a butterfly park I'm going to next. Maybe I'll head there. Then I don't know what. If that was zoomed in on my face the whole time, I'm sorry. Whoa. Hello, birdie. Excuse me. Can I pass, please? The bird's not letting me pass. He's being meanie. Okay, excuse me. Thank you all. People behind me looking at me like I'm crazy because I'm talking to myself. I don't care. I think I went down the handicap part. Oops. Doom, 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 boom. Spiderweb. Ooh, pretty waterfall.